Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Outlook password on phone. If you log into your Outlook account and go to settings, and if you want to go account section, you won't find any specific option to change your Outlook account password. You can reset your account or delete your account from here, but if you want to change your password, then you have to open your browser. If you can use your Chrome browser, you can search for Microsoft Outlook account, then click on it, and the first website is Microsoft official website. Go there and you have to click on sign in. Now then you just need to enter your email, but there is only one option to change or reset your password. After entering the email address, the Outlook email address, then you just need to click on next, and from here you will find forget password. You have to click on forget password, and this is the only way that you can change or reset your account's password. First you have to enter the email that you want to change the password, and then you have to enter a contact email, and then you have to complete this captcha. After fill the blanks, you just need to click on next button for get a code on your email address that you have entered for your contact details. Make sure that you have entered an active email address that you can get the verification code. Then you just need to check your inbox for the code, and after entering the code you just need to simply click on verify. That's how after verifying your identity, then you can change your Outlook account password. You just need to enter a new password and confirm the password, then you are all set. That's how you can change your Outlook password on phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.